Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix mobile network not available problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on connection and sharing. Scroll down. Again tap on reset Wi-Fi or mobile network. Tap on reset setting. Again tap on reset option. Reset your mobile or Wi-Fi connection. You can complete reset Wi-Fi or mobile network. Go back. Restart your device and reconnect it. You can follow all of the steps to fix mobile network not available problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.